Hi everyone. Since we've started this channel, we've had a lot of comments of people worried for us about lead paint and asbestos. So today I'm going to test this bulkhead to see if it's got lead paint in it, and I've also got an asbestos kit, so I'm going to take a sample of a lot of people are worried about the exhaust in the engine room because the metal on one of them is damaged and the stuffing inside is exposed, and a lot of people were like, Gemma, that could be asbestos. So I've bought an asbestos testing kit. So basically I've got to take a sample of it and then send it off to a lab.
Just lick it.
I'm not licking it. So I've just read the instructions on the lead swabs. So basically I've got to wet the water, shake off any excess liquid, rub it on the surface for 30 seconds and observe the swab for colour changes. So if it turns red, violet or pink, that means it's lead-based paint. So let's have a little test. The only water I could find, so I might need your help here, to dip the end of my swab in was a huge bucket of water. So that's it.
Up there for thinking, down there for
Go.
dancing. It's red already.
It is red, so there's the colour it is at the moment. Shake off the water. Right, 30 seconds. I can use the timer on this GoPro. Bring them all red.
This might not even see air.
Didn't it look like that before though? So it sort of looked like that before. No, I suppose not. It is violet, isn't it? So if it turns red, violet or pink, it indicates the presence of lead. Let me just get a new one out. So that was a new one, and that's after our test. So we're going to say this bulkhead, the paint is lead based. So full PPE when we're sanding that one. Right, let's do a bit of this old paint here. It's very purple. So obviously they both changed the same colour. Should we go and test the actual strips and test some paint that we know is definitely not got lead in it? So obviously my new paintwork in the hull we know is not lead based paint. So let's go and test that. So brand new strip, dip it in the water, shake it off. It's gone red, or well, it's gone a bit orange. So let's do this. So that's red, and we know that is brand new wood, good paint. I'm just going to get the other test strips. Right, that in the one in my right hand is the one that we know is definitely not lead. Still here. Right, okay, so that's red. Well, yeah, red, isn't it? But these ones are more purple. But do you reckon these are dodgy strips? It's not very like conclusive, is it? Because if you look at them, they all look the exact same. Well, you can see that these are a bit more purpley. Do we trust these? You'd think it'd be like red for lead and green for your goods. But no. So, let's see. So what I need to do now is take this asbestos sample. Might not be asbestos, so it's just a sample, but I'm gonna mask up. So, what I need to do is collect, maybe I should read the instructions actually. Asbestos sampling. Register, right, I need to register it online before I send it. Okay. Read the instructions. So I need to register this before I send it, so I've got a little bag to put it in. I'm going to put some gloves on. I'm also going to put this on. Oh. Okay. I'm going to take my handy little bag and you, and we're going to go. So there we go. I will send that off and we'll wait for the results to come back. So after my failed lead attempt last time, I think them swabs were rubbish. Looking back at the Amazon reviews, they weren't great. So I've bought 3M lead testers, and these were recommended to me by Daniel. Thank you, Daniel. So I've already wiped down an area here and an area on the hull. So let's give these a try. So I think that's pretty conclusive. It is very, very pink. So, lead.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
All down.
Let's do another one. And a bit of hull I've prepared earlier. So we all know I like to double check. So let's go and do another one on a piece of wood that I've painted. And obviously this shouldn't contain any lead, because this is the bit I've painted. And no, that is clean. So that's confirmed that these sticks work, unlike the last ones I bought.